Oh no! Oh no!
Happy birthday to Luke. Happy birthday to Luke. Happy birthday, dear Luke. Happy birthday to you.
No first try on that one.
Yeah!
Almost first try.
Wow.
Wow.
Well done, Luke. Okay, so we're gonna drop a cake off the Braille drop onto your face. And this was officially your idea. I just want to point that out. He laid down and he was like, no, I'll get a concussion. I'm gonna die. There are FP insoles for my face. It's about 35 feet. So we could go this one. We also got, well, I almost just fell over. We also got you this.
I think this one will be softer.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Oh yeah? Feel the weight on that bad boy, Luke.
Whoa! Whoa!
It's kind of heavy.
It's very heavy. That's going straight to your face.
I guess if we were gonna drop the cake on his head, we should just drop both.
This one is like so good, yeah. I guess we'll do a little bit of skating first. This is what happened when it was Nigel's birthday. We were like, okay, let's do the thumbnail. And we didn't mean to drop it at all. The cake fully dropped. So I got caked at the Braille house party, and it, like with Brian Ames, just full throttle straight to my face. And I think that that was about as bad as it can get in terms of force hitting you.
I'm nervous. Worst thing I've done on Braille. Scariest thing right here.
Yeah, I almost just walked into that box and fell, and then went me into the cake.
You gotta close your eyes fully.
You're not gonna have a, you're 18 years old, you're just getting a cake to your face. You're not having
gonna
a heart
die,
attack.
dude.
But if you do, it was good knowing you.
Thank you.
18 years of life, you made it a long way.
Made it a long way. You didn't quite graduate high school, but that's okay. We're getting there.
Why are you wearing a hoodie?
So don't extra cushion.
Oh my god.
Luke's come a long way with us. Did we do a Luke Origins?
No.
Bro, you're slipping.
The really scary thing is walking up the stairs without tripping and dropping the cake.
Oh my gosh, it's so high up there.
Oh my god.
No. Well, first of all, we have to get it off of the cardboard. So I'm thinking that we kind of hold it like this and then go like that and flip it and it drops off the cardboard. What I'm most worried about is missing your head.
Can I just tell you my genuine fear?
Yeah.
And I'm not gonna let him hear this. What if like the cardboard turns to the side and like...
Nah, we're gonna hold on to the cardboard so the cake fully falls off.
You think it will?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know how you're gonna film this. Troy, you're gonna have to get on that side. Wish me luck. I'm worried about my A game. I'm gonna hold this solo and then flip it and have the cake fly.
I think it's gonna fly. I think he needs to move that way a little bit.
If you keep your eyes open during this whole thing, it's bonus points.
Take a look from the camera's view of my view, like how scary that is.
Wait, how do I film this?
Go fast and commit.
How do I flip this cake? How are you gonna do this? You guys ready? Yeah. Everyone ready? Filming?
Yep.
Ready?
Oh no! Oh no! Okay, just drop. Oh! Oh my
Oh, that kind of hurt my face. Did it? A little bit. But like I got...
It's all in his nose.
Oh, gross.
Let me drop it.
Oh, it's so cold.
This is the grossest feeling I've ever... Open it up. I can't open my eyes. I'm blind. Can't open my eyes.
Wow. Happy birthday.
There's like frosting up my nose.
You're going to his brain.
I think that deserves a follow. You guys can go to his Instagram. It'll be right here. You can go to the Instagram and give him a follow. I think he deserves one for that.
Thank you.
The cake did a perfect half kickflip right under your face. If it had done a full kickflip, it would have been better. Then the frosting would have landed, but you know, what are you gonna do? I was shocked that the cake stuck like that.
I washed my hands with the frosting on it.
Yeah.
And it took full hot water to get it off.
Yeah, me too.
So what are you saying?
It's gonna be really tough for you today.
This is why I was gonna get a shower put into the Braille house, by the way.
There's still frosting in my nose.
All right, guys. Well, we hope you guys had as much fun watching that video as we had making it. Go ahead and click right here and go to the playlist and watch all the videos. We love you guys. Thank you. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. Click on this playlist right here for all the videos in this series. Click here to get skateboarding made simple. It's the most comprehensive lesson plan ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. Go to brailleskateboarding.com. You won't be disappointed.